At tonight's event, we are going to give away really cool prizes. Before that, I just want to give, actually, you know what, a bunch of people came in, new participants. I'd like to ask everybody who feels comfortable being on video, please turn on your video so we can all see each other. This is as close to in real life as we can get in this day and age for large gatherings. So if you feel comfortable, please turn your videos on so we can all see each other. Towards the end, we will have, I thank you to the people who just did, I see it goes on. Towards the end, we will have the opportunity to actually talk through Zoom verbally, but during the event, if you have any questions, you can always just type them into the chat and they will get answered, and if not immediately, then towards the end where we do Q&A. Like all of our events, we start off giving away really cool swag prizes. Frank, can you show the prize? Speak a little.
Definitely. So we have this super cozy Materialize t-shirt that is, what you can't see is just how nice it feels, actually. It does feel great. The family locally is super pleased with these things, which it's in my face, unfortunately, but this is what we're talking about, or multiple copies of these things.
All right. Okay, so we are going to give away a bunch of those. The way it works is like this. I'm going to ask very silly, goofy questions. You are going to stick into the chat whatever you can think of. I give a lot of E for effort, so if you don't have to necessarily be right to win, but you do have to answer to win, and we will send you the shirts in the mail at some near future date. It usually takes a day or two just to process and figure out everyone's address and stuff. We will reach out to you at the emails you use to sign up through to the Zoom, and then get your actual postal addresses to send you a shirt. Okay, the way this works, I'm going to ask really goofy questions. Get ready to chat. By the way, the person whose username is SS, I have not been ignoring you. I appreciate the nice, kind things you've been writing in the chat to me. I'm just trying to keep up with everything. Thank you. Okay, so everyone's going to have a chance to win. Just write your answers in. These questions are goofy and silly today. So there's a few hard ones, a few easy ones. Let's try it out. The very first one, get your chat box open and ready. Materialize is compatible with and represents itself to other software as which mainstream database? First person to answer is going to get a shirt. Not Oracle. SQL's not a database. Postgres is correct. Dan Benanov won. Daniel Bolin missed it by a millisecond. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. It's scrolling really fast. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I said that wrong. Sebs won, and then Dan Benanov and Daniel Bolin missed them both by a millisecond. But the guys whose username is SEVZ is the winner of that one. Everyone got that. That's great. I didn't think people would get it that quickly. All right, now the next question has two potential answers. Materialize is powered by which Dataflow technologies? Not SQL, not Kafka, not Beam. Timely is correct. Daniel Bolin just won, and Roman got the other one with differential data flow. Very good. Okay. Let's see. Next question. I'm going to do the hardest question on this. If nobody gets it, we'll just skip it and go and give away more shirts. So, Materialize can be deployed to which types of managed clouds? There are 3 correct answers. Not Azure. I mean, that's a specific cloud. This is a type of cloud, like a form of cloud, not a company. Public is correct. Dan Spiegel got the first one. Private is not the correct answer. A cumulus cloud, E for effort to Ed Hero. I love that. A hybrid is not the correct answer. I like the cumulus cloud. The other 2 answers are hard, so let's see if we get it. It's kind of like, I don't know. I guess you'd have to be familiar with Materialize to really get this. Distributed, IIS, nope. All right, going once, going twice. Not a private cloud, that was said already. Not SaaS, a government cloud, no. Okay, I'm going to throw the towel in the last 2 answers. It was a VPC cloud and oh, wait a minute. Rebecca just got that as I said it. So Rebecca Seal Farm did win the VPC cloud, and the last answer that no one got is the multi-tenant cloud. Okay, the next question I think is awesome, and it's kind of a throwaway, so just get your typing fingers ready, because this is a super easy one. The third engineer at YouTube is now the head of engineering at what company? Super easy, just guess a company. There you go, Gabe Fernando got it in a millisecond later. Materialize is indeed correct. Okay, the last questions are naming people. I'm going to describe a person who's relevant to the data tech community and famous. These aren't hard to guess people. And you're going to just type in who you think it is. And good answers get E for efforts too, like the Cumulus cloud before. Okay, who am I? I'm a billionaire that makes databases and enterprise software, and I love sailboat racing. Larry is right. Hold on, it's scrolling too fast to read his name. Hold on, someone got it already. Wait. It scrolled off the screen. May got it. Larry Ellison is indeed correct, and then a bunch of other people got it marginally after them. All right, let's try marginally harder than that one. Who am I? I have created a mainstream database, and I've been the CTO and CEO of several billion-dollar companies, but yet I still spend half of every workday coding. He's spoken at prior database events with us. Oh, thank you. Gabe Fernando, I would like to give it you forever, but that's buttering me up. No, Bill Gates, I would like to have him speak, but nope. I don't know who Frank is as sire. Stonebreaker is a good guess, but it's not correct. Stonebreaker has not been, as far as I know, he's not been a CEO of any billion-dollar companies. Million, yes. Larry Ellison, no, not Schmidt. Think NoSQL, guys. That's how that 50% of the options just went away. What was like the first NoSQL company out of Manhattan to be a big success? That's your answer. There's only one. Only one New York City-based NoSQL did. There you go. Ed Hero got it, MongoDB. Indeed, it was Dwight Merriman, the founder of MongoDB. Ed Hero. Ed Hero won already, actually, right? Ed, did you win once before? One of the prizes? Yes. Okay, so you can't win twice. So somebody else has to say, there you go. Thank you. Coleman Levitter was said MongoDB. He got it. Coleman got it. MongoDB. He'll win the prize. Who am I? I have created multiple mainstream databases and named most of my inventions after my kids. Juan Lopez, by the way, it's good. Elliot is would have been the right answer too, I guess. But he's the yeah. You know, I didn't actually specify with CEO. But anyway, who am I? Who created MariaDB? Thank you. Dave Gao got it. It was the first to get the last question. Monty Wadinius from MariaDB, indeed. Dave Gao. He created MySQL, if you don't know, before MariaDB, and Mai is the name of his first daughter. Maria is the second or third child of his. All right, last question in this format before we get on to the main event. Who are we? There are two people in the correct answer. While studying in college at the Technion in Israel, we created the Zend engine that powered PHP in the original version 3. Frank, who's Frank? That's the wrong answer. We've had Zev Saraski is indeed correct. Michael Wexer. If anyone has been with us for a gazillion years, we actually had the third person who created PHP speaking at our group, but Zev and Andy have not made it to this side of the pond to speak, but I have tried. Okay, that's it though. We're done with these questions for now, and we are going to get on. All right, everyone who just answered got the right answer, but too late. Okay. Oh, actually, no. Hold on, I'm sorry. Rebecca Silfen said Andy later, and Sahil is the first person who didn't already win to say Andy. So Sahil also wins with Andy Gutman's. I'm sorry, I missed that. So we have yet another winner. That's it, though, for the trivia. We're not giving away any more of those T-shirts. That's enough. But we're going to get started with the main event.